Jesus is your defense attorney. This is the picture that I got as I read this last night. Imagine yourself standing in court. Some of you may be able to imagine that more clearly than others. Don't raise your hand. And your sins are being charged against you. God is sitting on the throne as the judge. Jesus, my defense attorney. The charges are read. I have no defense. I'm guilty. I did those things. Jesus steps in and he says, Father, I did it. And the Father looks at him and he says, how do you plead? Jesus looks at his Father and he says, I plead guilty. The Father looks at me and he says, you may go free. And he looks back at Jesus and he says, son, you know the punishment. The son nods. There's only one wage of sin, and that's death. And then Jesus smiles. He says, but Father, Your Honor, I already died. The Father smiles. He says, case dismissed.